How to see backup photos in Google Photos. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can see backup photos in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see the backed up photos to Google Photos, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Google Photos application. Now Google Photos also acts as a gallery app, so it might be hard for you to distinguish between the photos that are backed up and the ones that are not backed up. So there is two ways to do this. One is if you come to the Photos tab, the photos that have this little check icon means that these photos have been backed up successfully. So you can see this check button here, it means that they have been backed up, and these are the ones that are on your, let's say, Google Photos. It is not the one from a device but on your Google Photos. But if you come to library and you can see photos on device, you can go to view all. These are the ones that are not backed up. So another way to distinguish this is you can simply actually open up the web version of Google Photos by simply opening your browser, going to photos.google.com. I will make sure to drop a link below. Go to photos.google.com, then you will see the photos and videos that are only backed up to your Google Photos and not the ones that are on your device. So this way you can see the backed up photos in Google Photos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.